What's going on, everyone? This is Logan, one of the coaches here at Stronghold Health and Performance. One of the questions that we frequently get is, how do you log the weight that you're using for a specific exercise? And how do you see your exercise history and what weights you used last time you did that exercise? Well, today I'm here to show you how to do just that. First, you'll open the EverFit app. Once the app loads, you'll see the home screen. Here, you'll see your workout for the day, along with your steps, calories, and more. Near the top of the screen, you'll see a button that says Start Workout. Click that button and you'll see the following page that shows the exercises included in the workout and what equipment is needed. When you're ready to start the workout, hit Start Workout at the top of the page. Now you'll see the first exercise. For the first set, there is a W marked for the warm-up set. You can also see that there are 12 reps programmed for the warm-up and that the weight is currently blank. To change the weight, tap on the hyphen that is in the same row as the set you're doing and a keyboard will pop up. Type in the weight you're using for the warm-up set and hit Done. Once you've completed that, click the circle with a little check mark in it to the right of the weight you just edited. Now we're on to the working sets. To see what weights you used last time, tap the button under the name of the exercise to the far left. It should look like a clock with a counterclockwise arrow around it. Once you've tapped that button, you'll see a chart with all your previous weights on it, and if you scroll down, you'll see the previous sets, reps, and weight for every time that you've completed that exercise. Once you've seen what weight you used last time, you can hit the down arrow on the top left of the screen to return back to the workout. Now you know what weight you used last time, and you can type that same weight in or go up if desired. Once you do the set, check it off to keep track of what sets you've completed. When you go to do the third set and you tap on the hyphen to change the weight, you will see a soft gray number that should be the same as the previous weight you typed in. If you tap that number, it will autofill the previous weight. And if you decide to add weight, you can easily change that by hitting the plus, typing in the weight you added, and then hitting the equal button. For some exercises, we'll program with RPE. RPE stands for Rate of Perceived Exertion, and it's a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being max effort. In this example, the working sets are programmed for RPE of 7, which means they should feel like a 7 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. If you see a blank RPE column, it's there for you to report how difficult the weight feels on each set. For other exercises, I'll program with percentages. As you can see with the warm-up, you may not be able to get to exactly 162.5 pounds. So just use standard rounding rules and round to the nearest weight that you can get to with the weights that you have access to. If you're working out at the gym that uses kilograms, or you're traveling or whatever else, directly above the weight where it says LB with a down arrow, you can tap that and change the unit from pounds to kilograms. You may also notice on some of the exercises there will be a rep range, such as the 8 to 10 reps seen on the last set here. Whenever there's a rep range, always aim for the higher number. The rep range on the last set is meant to push you and see how much gas is left in the tank. And that's it for now. I hope this video answers all your questions, and if not, please feel free to reach out.